I did go down the chute, and it was probably maybe about 6 or 7 foot high. So when I landed, there were some cardboard boxes and some mattresses and things there to sort of break my fall. But however, I was 13, and what I was more worried about was there was a stagehand below, a guy, waiting to kind of help catch me and stop me bouncing back up, and I was more worried that he was going to see my underwear.
But that is not me burping. So they dubbed the burps, and so there's somebody in Hollywood that makes a living off of burping, and so that is not Peter Ostrom burping. But they were great burps.